I know, Chubby.
Okay, here we are on adoption day. We've got 2 new piggies. Penny is thrilled.
That's Rufus.
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 That's Rufus.
Oh, you. He's very sweet.
And that's
Nibbles.
Nibbles, who is not nibbling at all.
No.
The attacks
I
Candy.
know.
Nibbles is being very nice. We just got him out. And behind me, we have Storm. I'm blasting a light in Storm's face. I don't know how I like that. Storm has been a sweetie pie. We like Storm.
So happy.
There's Storm just chilling out with Daddy. Storm don't like the light. That's better, right, Storm? Yeah.
Aw.
Ooh, yawn.
Oh, and there's Kitty behind you.
Hi, Storm. So there's Storm closing her eyes.
Oh. Somebody's jealous. More piggies for Kitty to swat at.
Okay.
No!
Now, over here is the real surprise of the day. You can see sticking his head out. Cricket came out of his nest today all by himself while we were gone getting the new cage. Now the idea was to get the new cage before Cricket was leaving the nest and by himself. That didn't work out. We came back with the new cage to find Cricket sitting on the floor of the cage.
He's so cute. He's just sitting there. Eagle, what are you eating? Oh, really? He's eating seeds? Whatever.
And here is the new cage for Pearly Lemon and Cricket. And maybe Storm. Storm might go in this cage for now. We'll see how it works out.
She says, yeah, see?
But this is Storm's cage. It's pretty nice.
No. Look at you, look at you, look at you. Shall we put
As soon as
them?
you do that stinking thing. What?
Shall we put them in?
Put them in where? Your butt?
No.
Silly.
No, not yet. We'll have to keep them separate for a little while.
Why? Because they calm down
Yes, yes, exactly.
You guys are big, man.
and they got a little bit and then they can have a little
I like
whatever.
little cricket when he's peering out. All right, I'll put you back in, okay? Okay. Okay, Chubby.
Storm, I took the light away. You can open your eyes. That's it. There you go. Hi.